when you have members of staff who aren't performing, it's always a really problematic issue for any business. The first thing you have to do is tackle them about it. Now, that doesn't mean you automatically go into a disciplinary procedure, although you might end up in one. So the first thing you need to do is draw your concerns to the attention of the member of staff. If you get a satisfactory answer, well then you document the fact that you've drawn those concerns and you move on. However, if you don't get a satisfactory answer, what you then need to do is to go into the disciplinary procedure. Now, you need to have a disciplinary policy and you need to follow it. There's no great magic about disciplinary procedures, but here are a few tips that you need to bear in mind. Firstly, before any disciplinary meeting, send them a letter telling them that they're invited to a disciplinary meeting. Tell them they have a right to be accompanied. The person that accompanies them can be a work friend or colleague or an accredited trade union representative. At any disciplinary hearing, it's not some form of Perry Mason type of procedure. You tell them what your concerns are, you show them the documents that you want to rely on, you record their answers. At the end of the meeting, for goodness sake, just say, thanks very much and I'll think about it. What you then do is you think about it, record and document the sorts of concerns you have and your decision-making process. You then decide what the disciplinary sanction should be. Having decided what the disciplinary sanction should be, you write to them and you set out the reasons why you've decided what you've decided, and you give them a right of appeal. The appeal process is itself actually a rerun of the disciplinary process. Therefore, here's another tip. Make sure that whoever hears the appeal is effectively the line manager or person who sits above the person hearing the disciplinary. It's no good if the boss hears the disciplinary procedure and his subordinate or her subordinate hears the appeal.